Looking for ways to revitalize your body? Welcome to a world of delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies that can do just that. Today, we'll be exploring 5 fantastic recipes that are not just tasty, but also loaded with health benefits. Imagine starting your day with a green detox smoothie, packed with ingredients designed to cleanse your body and boost your energy. Or perhaps you might fancy a fruit explosion smoothie, a delightful blend that delivers a vitamin-packed punch. For those who've just finished a workout, the protein powerhouse smoothie will replenish and nourish your muscles. And for those with a sweet tooth, the roasted nut and cacao smoothie offers a healthy way to satisfy your cravings. Lastly, we have the immunity booster smoothie, a perfect blend to help guard against colds and flu. Intrigued? Stay tuned to find out how these smoothies can help you feel your best. First up, we have the green detox smoothie. This vibrant blend is a powerhouse of nutrients, designed to kickstart your day and cleanse your body from within. It's brimming with health benefits that can revitalize your body and mind. Now, let's dive into the ingredients. The star of the show is spinach, a leafy green known for its high iron content, essential for carrying oxygen around our bodies. Next, we have the green apple, a crisp and tangy fruit that adds a hint of sweetness and a good dose of dietary fiber. Cucumber is up next. This hydrating vegetable is packed with antioxidants and nutrients that promote hydration, making it an excellent addition to our green detox smoothie. Then we have lemon juice, a fantastic source of vitamin C. It not only adds a zesty kick but also aids in digestion and boosts your immune system. Finally, we include fresh ginger. This spicy root has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, and it gives our smoothie a warm, invigorating kick. Now it's time to blend it all together. Starting with a handful of fresh spinach, add in a chopped green apple and half a cucumber. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, and grate in a small piece of fresh ginger. Pour in some water to help everything blend smoothly. If you prefer your smoothies a bit sweeter, feel free to add a touch of honey or a couple of dates. Put the lid on your blender and blend until everything is smooth and creamy. Pour your green detox smoothie into a glass, take a sip, and feel the natural energy flowing through you. This smoothie is not just a drink, it's a refreshing and invigorating experience. So there you have it, a simple and delicious way to cleanse your body, boost your energy, and give your day a healthy start. This green detox smoothie is more than a beverage. It's a revitalizing journey for your taste buds and an incredible boost for your body. Enjoy. Next, refresh your energy with the fruit explosion smoothie. Now this isn't just any smoothie, it's a glass full of absolute vitality. Packed with a variety of fruits, this smoothie is a true nutrient powerhouse, bursting with vitamins and antioxidants. Let's talk about why this smoothie is such an energy booster. First, we have strawberries, small but mighty, loaded with vitamin C and manganese. They're also packed with heart-healthy antioxidants. Next, we have bananas, a fantastic source of potassium and vitamin B6. They're also great for digestion and heart health. Then we have pineapple, a tropical delight rich in vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Finally, we add a splash of orange juice, a well-known source of vitamin C, and a handful of spinach for that extra green goodness. Now let's get to the fun part, making the smoothie. Gather your ingredients. A cup each of strawberries, banana and pineapple, a splash of orange juice, and a handful of spinach. To start, add the fruits to your blender. You can use fresh or frozen fruits depending on your preference. Once the fruits are in, pour in the orange juice. This will give your smoothie a nice, liquid consistency and a citrusy kick. Lastly, add the spinach. Don't worry, you won't taste it, but your body will thank you for the extra nutrients. Now blend until smooth. The vibrant colors of the fruits will blend together to create a beautiful, appetizing hue. The result? A smoothie that tastes as good as it looks. Serve this fruit explosion smoothie chilled, perhaps with a straw and a slice of fruit on the side for that extra flair. It's perfect for breakfast, as a midday pick-me-up, or even as a post-workout refreshment. Every sip is a celebration of fruity goodness, a true explosion of flavors. Remember, a healthy diet is not about restriction, it's about nourishing your body. And what better way to do that than with a delicious, fruit-filled smoothie? So go ahead, give this recipe a try. This smoothie will provide a burst of vitamins. Now, let's move on to our protein powerhouse smoothie, a great option for post-workout. This smoothie is a champion when it comes to muscle repair and recovery. It's packed with protein, the building block of muscles, which is vital after a strenuous workout. The protein helps repair and rebuild muscle tissue that's been stressed during exercise, helping you recover faster and get stronger. But the benefits don't stop there. This smoothie also contains a good amount of complex carbohydrates from oats, providing a steady release of energy over time. Plus, it's a delicious way to keep those hunger pangs at bay until your next meal. Now for the recipe. You'll need 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. This could be plant-based or whey, depending on your preference. 1 cup of almond milk. Almond milk is a great dairy-free option that's low in calories and high in vitamin E. 1 ripe banana. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which is particularly important after a workout as it helps maintain nerve and muscle function. 1/4 cup of oats. Oats are a wonderful source of complex carbohydrates and fiber. And finally, a pinch of cinnamon for a hint of warmth and sweetness. To prepare, simply add all of these ingredients into a blender, starting with the almond milk. This allows for a smoother blending process. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. If you find it's too thick for your liking, feel free to add a bit more almond milk. The result is a creamy, filling, and protein-rich smoothie that not only tastes great, but also works hard to replenish your body. It's like a reward for your muscles after a good workout session. And there you have it, a protein-packed smoothie that's not just good for you but also delicious. A truly satisfying way to refuel after hitting the gym or completing a challenging workout at home. This smoothie will nourish and replenish your muscles. For a sweet treat, try the roasted nut and cacao smoothie. This smoothie is a delightful blend of rich flavors and nutrients that your taste buds and body will love. It's a perfect pick-me-up for those mid-afternoon slumps, or even as a sweet, guilt-free dessert. Let's talk about the key ingredients. Nut milk, be it almond or cashew, is a great source of healthy fats and proteins. It also adds a creamy texture to the smoothie. Next, we have cocoa powder. Not to be mistaken with hot chocolate mix, cocoa powder is packed with antioxidants and gives our smoothie a rich, chocolatey flavor. Nut butter, such as almond or peanut, adds a depth of flavor and a good dose of healthy fats and protein. The banana in this recipe not only sweetens the smoothie naturally, but also provides potassium and fiber. Lastly, a drizzle of honey lends a touch of natural sweetness and has anti-inflammatory properties. Now for the preparation. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Pour your nut milk into the blender. Add a spoonful of cocoa powder and a generous dollop of your favorite nut butter. Toss in a ripe banana and finish with a drizzle of honey. Then blend until smooth. In just a few minutes, you've whipped up a smoothie that's not only delicious, but also nourishing. This smoothie will satisfy your sweet cravings while providing healthy energy. It's a sweet treat that your body will thank you for. Last but not least, we have the Immunity Booster Smoothie. This smoothie is an absolute powerhouse of nutrients that your immune system will thank you for. It's a delicious mix of ingredients that not only tastes good, but also helps in strengthening your body's natural defenses. The Immunity Booster Smoothie is packed with vitamin C thanks to the orange juice and kiwi. Vitamin C is a strong antioxidant that can boost your immune system's function. It's also essential for the health of your skin and blood vessels. Strawberries are another key ingredient. They're rich in antioxidants and vitamin C as well. They also bring a lovely sweetness and vibrant color to the smoothie. The honey in this smoothie acts as a natural sweetener, but it's more than just a sweet touch. Honey has antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help fight off infections. Finally, we have yogurt. Yogurt is a source of probiotics, the good bacteria that support a healthy gut. A healthy gut is crucial for a strong immune system, as it's the first line of defense against pathogens. To prepare this smoothie, simply add 1 cup of orange juice, 1 peeled kiwi, a handful of strawberries, a tablespoon of honey, and half a cup of yogurt into a blender. Blend until smooth, and your Immunity Booster Smoothie is ready to enjoy. This smoothie is perfect for fighting off colds and flu. When you try out these healthy smoothie recipes, revitalize your body and soul. From the detoxifying green smoothie to the energy-packed fruit explosion, the muscle-nourishing protein powerhouse, the sweet yet healthy roasted nut and cacao, and finally, the immune-boosting smoothie, we've covered a variety of flavors and health benefits. Remember, these smoothies are more than just tasty beverages. They're a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes and healthy living tips. Until next time.